Hello, my online family. I have been away from YouTube for a while, but I'm back now and I'm gonna be updating you on my life. I have been busy redoing my home, interior designing it, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I've been up to. So today it's Sunday and I've been having time reading my Bible and having some communion, and I got flowers yesterday from my very close friend. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the coffee table. This is the coffee table that I got online. And in China, we usually have round dining tables. So I decided to get a round coffee table. It's so beautiful. You can get it online for sure. If I can find it in China, I'm sure you can find it anywhere in your country. And it's round and it's big enough because I love sitting here with the kids, my friends, and then we have some snacks and have some takeaways and have any kind of meal. But it's a coffee table for the sitting room, for the living room, not for the dining area. But I just love how you can make it simple and make it in different ways. So today it's Sunday. We have communion. It's my Chinese Bible. And I got flowers yesterday from my friends, so this is how my table looks today. So it's usually different and I'll update you every time I change what's on my table. I like being creative with my house. However, I'm a minimalist, so I wouldn't have a lot of stuff on my table, especially because my kids will come and mess it up. So usually I don't have much. But every time I do something on my coffee table, I'll update you. So it's round. It's really different. It's not a typical coffee table. However, I love it.